Introducing Kent Atta and Bread Maker for Home, fully automatic with 19 preset menus. This fully automatic 550-watt steel grey machine has a one-touch operation. The detachable components make mixing and kneading easy. This bread maker has a capacity of 2 pounds and comes with 19 program menus. It comes in a size of 36 by 24.5 by 30 centimeters and weighs 5.2 kilograms. The box contains the Kent Atta and Bread Maker, instruction manual, measuring cup, measuring spoon and a kneading panel remover. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.